added 5 scoops of flour, 4 eggs, and mixed 6 times.
Wait, did I already mix it 4 times or 5?
Mina, I counted and used number words to fix my sandwich mistake. Okay, I'll count it down as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoops of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs.
Hello, I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're trying to discover something fun, the number words. Let's go!
Okay, Chef Saro reporting for sandwich duty.
Wow, sounds interesting.
1 for Brown Bear, 1 for Fluffy Bear, 1 for Sparkles, 1 for Big Ears. Wait.
What happened, Saro?
Oh no! I only brought 3 sandwiches, but I need 4.
So, what's the solution, Saro?
I'll count and use number words this time to avoid messing up. 1 panda, 2 bears, 3 bears, 4 bears. I need 4 sandwiches.
Now you know you need to make 4 sandwiches. Not 3 like last time.
Mina, I need help with more sandwiches. I added 5 scoops of flour, 4 eggs, and mixed 6 times.
Wait, did I already mix it 4 times or 5?
Mina, I counted and used number words to fix my sandwich mistake. Okay, I'll count it down as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoops of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stirs. Phew! That's more mixing than dancing. Let's bring these muffins to the picnic. But this time, we'll count everything using number words.
Welcome to Baba Ali's Sandwich Shop. Today's specials: 1 banana sandwich, 2 jelly sandwiches, and 8 tomato sandwiches.
8? Who's going to eat all that?
I like big numbers, but I need help counting customers.
Let's see. Mama wants 1 sandwich. You girls want 2 each. Grandma wants 3.
So that's 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 equals 8. We need 8 sandwiches.
Let's say the number words out loud while we stack the sandwiches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And that's how we feed a hungry family, with the power of number words.
Excellent work, team. Now, let's see how much you remember with the final quiz. There are dash fish. Options: A, 4, B, 2. The correct answer is A, 4. they have dashed bananas. Options: A, 6, B, 5. The correct answer is a 6. How many apples are in the basket? Options: A, 2, B, 3. The correct answer is B, 3. How many sandwiches did they make for the family? Options: A, 8, B, 6. The correct answer is A, 8. How many bears are at Saro's picnic? Options: A, 4, B, 3. The correct answer is A, 4. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll sort words into categories. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.